Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Google Photos. For that you need to go and open your Google browser, and I'll just turn off my incognito mode, and you need to type there co/recover, and there you'll have to enter your email address and tap on next button. And if you don't remember your email address, simply tap on forgot email and you'll have to enter your phone number, or you can simply and after entering your phone number, tap on next button and it will scan your face ID, or it will ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember, tap on use another method and you might need to enter your secondary email, or you might need to enter your face ID, and after that you will get option to reset your password, and with that you can go and log in back to your Google Photos, and that is how you can recover your Google Photos. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.